Hello! In this video, we'll learn how to repeat an animation using the NLA Editor in Blender. Let's get started. Here we have our character. When we play the animation, you'll see it walk for a few steps and then stops. To understand why that happens, let's unhide the armature. If we look under the timeline, we'll notice the animation only runs for 42 frames. It's not complete, so we need to repeat the animation. In the bottom left corner, change the editor type to Nonlinear Animation, also called NLA. Now, push down the action. This converts the animation into a block within the NLA Editor. We can repeat this block in two ways. Method 1. Click on the animation block, then press Shift+D to duplicate it. Move the copy right after the original block. You can keep doing this to repeat the animation as many times as you like. Just press Shift+D and place the new block after the last one. Once you're done, switch back to the timeline editor and press play to preview. Now the animation loops instead of stopping. Method 2. After pushing down the action into a block, go to the right side panel, scroll down to the action clip settings, and you'll find a repeat value. Increase this value to automatically repeat the animation within the same block. Again, switch back to the timeline and hit play. You'll see the animation now loops continuously. And that's it.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.